We are shaving Tom Tom. Well, not shaving, brushing. Tom Tom likes to be brushed because you gotta hear these sounds here. Come on, Tom Tom, talk to me. You were doing it so cute a minute ago. He doesn't like to be brushed, but he likes the food better, right? Right, Tom Tom? This is an amazing brush. He just... Scarlet likes what's going on. Hang on. Grammy's got to push it up for you. He only gets a little teeny bitty bit at a time because it takes me forever to do this, so. Right? I don't know what's wrong with his hair, but I think I need to put some olive oil or something in it. Right, Tom Tom? God love you. He says, that's my tail, Grammy. That's my tail, Grammy. When the food runs out, the brushing stops. Right? Oh! I guess he didn't wait till food to run out. Yeah. Scarlet? Scarlet, come here. Hey, Scarlet. You need to start getting brushed. Come here, look. You want some? Come here. Scarlet. Come here. Come here, honey. Hey, Scarlet. Come here. Let's see if we can start him young. Right? Some cats like to be brushed. Tom Tom is not one of them. It's okay. Grammy not gonna hurt you. Look, you get good stuff. Yeah. You're gonna be a long-haired kitty, so you gotta be brushed too. Grammy's just a little bit gentler on you. You got a tiny little body. Right? But you are shedding too. Oh my goodness. Yes, you are. It's a cat brushing kind of day. Now, Kibo, I'm going to have to give Kibo a bath because she won't let me brush her. Last time she peed on my bed, so. Scarlet, that's a lot of hair we just got out of you. Guess Grammy should have started earlier. Alright. My goodness. Now I gotta get the vacuum cleaner. Right? Looks like I sheared a sheep in my bedroom. It does, Kibo. I know you don't want any part of this, do ya? Huh? I guess she's done too. Alright, Scarlet. Say goodbye. The fur is flying. I gotta go vacuum. Say bye. One last bite.